In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transaction classes in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a large operation, staying organized is key to keeping your finances in check. QuickBooks Online, a powerful accounting tool, makes it easy to categorize your transactions and track your financial performance. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using transaction classes. These classifications allow you to organize your data based on departments, locations, projects, or any other categories that are relevant to your business. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's get started. First, navigate to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on the gear icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, locate and click on the Advanced tab, which you'll find in the left-hand menu. Now, scroll through the advanced settings until you find the option labeled Track Classes. Once you've located it, make sure to turn this feature on. This will enable you to start creating and tracking classes for your transactions. After you've turned it on, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Next, you'll need to return to the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Click it again to open the drop-down menu. This time, select the option called All Lists. On the All Lists page, look for and click on Classes. Once you're on the Classes page, you'll see a button labeled New at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a form where you can create your new class. Enter a name for the class that is clear and directly relevant to your business needs. For example, you might name it after a specific project, a department, or a location. Once you've entered the name, be sure to click Save to finalize the creation of your class. Now that your classes are set up, you can start using them in your transactions. When you're creating or editing transactions such as invoices, expenses, bills, or journal entries, you'll notice a field for classes. Use this field to assign the appropriate class to each transaction. If a single transaction needs to be divided between multiple classes, you can easily split the transaction lines and assign portions to the relevant classes. As your business evolves, you may need to add or edit classes to better reflect your organization's needs. You can always return to the Classes page to make these adjustments. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use transaction classes in QuickBooks Online to keep your finances organized and gain deeper insights into your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.